If you've been using Asana but feel it's time to move on, whether you're switching to another tool or simply no longer need a subscription, you'll want to make sure you cancel it correctly. In this video, I'll walk you through the full step-by-step process to cancel your Asana subscription in 2025, so you won't run into any surprises later. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to asana.com. Once you're on the site, log into your account by entering the email address connected to your subscription, followed by your password. If you use a password manager, this step should be quick and easy. After logging in, you'll land on your Asana homepage. Now, look to the top right corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Admin Console. This is where all your account's administrative settings are managed. Inside the admin console, navigate to the billing section. Here, you'll see details about your current plan, payment method, and renewal date. This is also where you'll find the option to cancel your plan. Look for the button or link that says Cancel Plan and click it. At this point, Asana will walk you through a short confirmation process. They may ask why you're canceling or if you'd like to consider downgrading instead. Simply follow the prompts, confirm your decision, and complete the cancellation. Once you're done, make sure to check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Asana. This serves as proof that your subscription has been successfully canceled. If you don't see it right away, give it a few minutes and also check your spam folder just in case. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Asana subscription. Following these steps ensures that you won't be charged for the next billing cycle. I hope this guide saved you time and made the process stress-free. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials on managing your digital tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.